Assalamu alaikum. It's a privilege to be here in front of all of you all. I just want to begin by just making a small prayer for our fallen heroes today. May Allah grant them the highest of stations and closeness to Him at this difficult time. May He grant peace and ease to everybody that's grieving, and give us all the opportunity to enjoy one another's company in places of worship, at both ours and our neighbors and friends together, enjoy and allow us to be there for each other in moments of grief. Thank you. I'm just going to read a short take on We'll Rise by Maya Angelou. You may write us down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod us in the very dirt, but still, like dust, we'll rise. You may shoot us with your words, you may cut us with your eyes. You may choke us with your hatefulness, but still, like air, we'll rise. Out of the huts of history's blame, like an eternal flame, we'll rise. Up from a past that's rooted in truth, like a tree from its fruit, we'll rise. Strengthened by our heartfelt, soulful cries, we'll rise. O Allah, we all came before you broken, with bowed head and lowered eyes, prayers pouring from our lips like teardrops from our eyes. We are an ocean, leaping and wide, welling and swelling, we rise on this tide. Leaving behind all talk of terror and fear, into a daybreak that's wondrously clear, we'll rise. Bringing the gifts that our prophets gave, we are the dreams and the hopes of the best of Allah's slaves. Just like the moon and the suns, with the certainty of tides, just like the hopes springing high, we, the human family, will rise, will rise, will rise. Thank you.